Today I'm doing a video on the unboxing of my Sculpd Pottery kit. I got this recently as a Christmas present. So I have done a lot of crafts in the past, but I've never done pottery, so I was very keen to get this kit. So as you can see, on the back of the box it just tells you what's inside the kit. And then when you open it, it tells you that there are video tutorials on how to make different things out of pottery, I guess. And then it's just got some writing on the inside of the lid. And then it also has a paper wallet, and then inside it's got some different instruction cards in it. So I think the first one just tells you a bit about what's in the kit and how you use the different tools and paints and things, and then there's some other cards in there and they tell you how to make some basic things like a pinch pot, a coil pot I think, and then a plant pot, vases, so there's lots of different cards in there, and then it gives you some different ideas on how to modify your pot, for example, to make it slightly different. So inside the kit we've got some clay. We've got 2 packets of this clay. So I'm not actually sure how much clay there is in each packet because it doesn't have a weight on the back of it, but there feels like quite a lot, so I'm guessing you can probably make quite a few different things with this kit. So there's the clay, and then in the kit there's also this pouch, and this has got the different tools in it which you use when making your clay items, and these are the things that the instructions tell you what they're for. So this is just what's in the pouch. So there is also a sponge, and I think this is used like when you're smoothing out the surface of the clay when you're making the items. And then this is what else is in the kit. So we've got the white paint and the varnish, and there's also some paint brushes there. So I'll just get those out. So there's the varnish, so it's a gloss varnish, this one. I think you can also choose a matte version of that if you wanted it when you're buying the kit. And then there's the paint. So the only thing is that it only comes with white paint, so you'd have to buy different acrylic paints separately if you want other colours. And then here are the paint brushes. So there's a smaller one and a larger one for doing the different detail on the pot when you're painting. And then this is just what it says in the bottom of the box. And the good thing is it does encourage you to recycle the packaging, which is good. So that is the end of this unboxing video, and if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below.